and the Capital Markets Authority is being urged to simplify rules of admission of new firms so as to enable small and medium enterprises easily raise a capital. Well, Industrialization Assistant Minister Murray Nderito says so far large organizations seeking to float bonds or increase their shares have benefited from the Capital Markets Authority's reforms.
Industrialization Assistant Minister Murray Nderito appreciates that the Capital Markets Authority has initiated several steps since coming into force. He is, however, raising concerns that CMA is slow to embrace reforms to simplify a listing of new players, especially small and medium enterprises.
For you to list, the requirements are, shall I say, higher than for you to trade the shares of your company to sell them to her or to him. So what the CMA is expected to do is to facilitate, to ensure that that this is possible without putting too much by way of hurdles.
He wants the over-the-counter trading introduced at the Nairobi Securities Exchange to benefit SMEs. Also,
small businesses do not issue bonds. It is government and large corporates that issue bonds. So sometimes, honestly, when you see us getting a bit irritable, it appears as though CMA wants to be part of the elite that keeps us poor. I mean, open up. I'll give you an example. Robert Mathu, who went to Rwanda to be CEO, is a Kenyan. You know, wrote the rules. The OTC is operational in Kigali. Why should it not be operational in Nairobi, where, you know, you would expect it would have been earlier here?
In addition, he is also calling for increased budgetary allocation of up to 100 billion shillings that could be loaned out to players in SMEs.
6 million small businesses, if they only grow by one job, you have more than solved 60% of the unemployment problem. And it is possible. We are capable of it. We should not have to be begging and cajoling for people to put money in KIE. We shouldn't.
He was speaking in Nairobi during the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding for Technical Assistance Fund between Fusion Capital and the Ministry of Industrialization.